Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a light sweep like in After Effects using Alight Motion. So if you want that shiny moving light effect from After Effects, in this video I'll show you how you can create a smooth light sweep in Alight Motion, fast and easy on mobile. So no PC required. So first you can just open Alight Motion and tap on new projects in here. Then select the resolutions that you want. So I'm going to use this 9:16 for a vertical video. Click on create project. Now you can just add your text or logo. Okay, for example, I've already added this text like this. And now you can just insert a white rectangle shape. So click on the plus button and choose this white rectangle shape. Change the color into white. Sorry. Okay, and now you can click on this and go to fill, choose gradient, and in here choose white with transparency. And after that you can just rotate the rectangle diagonally, and this will act as the light beam. So you can just adjust it and rotate like this. So make the size smaller and longer like this. And now you can just select the blending mode in here. You can add our screen. You can lower the opacity to around 60 to 70. And after that, here you can just go to the move and transform, and then you can just add keyframes. You can place the rectangle off the screen at first, for example in here. Then you can add the first keyframe, and then you can just move it, the light beam across the text right for the last keyframe. So now it will move like this. If you want to have smooth animation, you can tap the keyframe curve, this one, and then here you can choose the ease in or ease out. Then you can just duplicate the light beam layer for a stronger shine. And you can also add glow effect from Alight Motion effects to make it more cinematic. So that's how you can make a light sweep effect in Alight Motion, just like in After Effects. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe, and also comment. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye!